Hello, everybody. It's Junior Computer Scientist here, and I have some great news to share. So, I'm pretty sure you guys know already by the title. I got an internship, which is really exciting for me because not only do I not feel ready, I also feel ready at the same time because I've been, coding a lot over the past couple of days, and that's kind of the reason I haven't been posting for the past 3 weeks. Is because I've been coding a lot and doing finals and trying to make sure I pass, which we'll find out in a couple of days whether I passed everything. Pretty sure I did, though. On top of that news, I got an internship. Now, this isn't just a normal internship. This internship doesn't just end at the end of the summer. I just have to keep renewing my contract, and I can work during the fall semester. I can work during probably winter. Not sure. Probably winter. Spring, summer, and just keep renewing it all the way up until I graduate. Yes, it would probably end until I graduate. He told me that there's no guarantee of a full-time position because of just getting the internship, but he didn't say that it wasn't possible. So I'm just going to try to work really hard, and hopefully something good happens. If not, I have experience. So we'll just be going up from there. This was actually like the first time I had a coding interview also, and the practice that I was doing on these YouTube videos actually helped me a lot with the coding interview because they want you to also like talk about what you're doing as you're coding it, and I do that on YouTube all the time. So it was kind of, that was the easy part for me, was talking through my code. And not only that, I got both of the coding questions right. So that was my first coding interview, and I got both of the questions right. They wasn't as optimized as they could have been, but the code ran. So that's good. And I went to the office. I seen the office. Cool office. It's a remote job, but I asked if I can come into the office sometimes. I'm kind of weird. I know like a lot of people are like, oh yeah, remote work. That's amazing. That's the only place I want to be. It's home. I get it. But my most productive place is not my house. I'm not even going to lie to you. So that's why I asked if I could go into the office, and they said that yeah, I can. It is optional to go into the office, so that's cool. I'm not going to say the company I work for because I'm just not. And I don't know. I'm just really excited. I'm really excited. I started on June 6th, and my title is Technology Intern. I'm on the Quality Engineering team, and my title is Technology Intern. So really, I'm just going to be reviewing code, testing it, making sure it runs efficiently, making sure code is efficient. That's what I remember from the interview. But I'm just excited that this is something that's going to be what I'm doing. A lot of people might not know this, but I'm just going to tell you this now. I was working 60 hours a week between two jobs. Okay. The first job, I was working 4 p.m. to 2 in the morning. And then at the second job, I was only working like Friday through Monday, but it was like 5 hours. Sometimes it would be like a little more. But yeah, like basically 20 hours there. So 5 hours over 4 days is 20. And plus the 10 hours for 4 days that I'm at my other job, that's 60 hours. And I didn't really have a lot of time to get work done. So, I mean, I kind of pulled it off this semester because I was only taking 2 classes. There were 2 classes that I really needed to get my degree. But next semester, I probably wasn't going to be able to pull it off. And I was thinking, I should get a part-time job. But as everyone knows, I live by myself with my girlfriend, but by myself, not with my parents. That's what I'm trying to say. And I was kind of like, how am I going to work part-time and still be able to pay rent? It's not possible, like at all. So then I was thinking maybe I could just, instead of like just getting like an internship, I could just try to get a coding job and tell them that I'm still learning, and maybe they'll put me on part-time. That's really hard to find. That was like basically impossible to find. I'm not even gonna lie. I found one, and he told me that I wasn't ready yet. I'm looking too early. And I was like, okay, I guess, he's probably right. I know a little bit of JavaScript, not like a lot. And then I went to I didn't tell you guys a lot of things. I was in an app building competition where me and my team came up with basically a delivery app for campus, like our campus, because, you know, Grubhub, DoorDash, they all work, but not for campus restaurants. So we built one for the campus restaurants, and we got first place. Won a little bit of money. That was technically the first time I got paid to do something computer science related. And with that, I met a couple of people, and through networking is how I found out about the internship. And then I applied, and I tried to keep my posture and really be confident in my code and my projects. And over the course of 2 weeks, I ended up getting an internship really close to when summer was starting. So that was really convenient. That's what I should say. Very convenient. And so far, the company seems great. I can't wait to work there to really know how working with code in a real world setting works. But I'm going to be doing it. And that's what I'm excited for. And I'm still going to be able to pay rent while working part-time. Working part-time, making more than working 2 jobs, 60 hours a week. That's crazy. This was the best decision I've ever made, going into computer science. So if you guys are thinking about going into computer science and you're like, oh, the math is hard, blah, blah, blah. I failed math a couple of times, guys. A couple of times. And I didn't give up, because why give up? I'm already here. You know, there's no point in giving up. So I kept on trying, and then I passed, and then I just kept on going, and I graduate spring 2024, if not sooner, if something happens. So just stay with it. I'm documenting the journey, and I'm actually seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. Stay with it. Don't quit. Stay with it. Trust me, it is worth it. But I don't really have a lot to say. I kind of just wanted to tell you guys that I got an internship. Along with that, now that I have more time, I'm going to continue to learn JavaScript in my part-time. I take data structures and algorithms over the summer, and I also take discrete structures. So I'm taking 2 classes over the summer plus the part-time job, and that's going to be the only thing that I'm doing. And that's going to be cool. And I don't know. Hopefully I can make something shake with the JavaScript, because I'm kind of too deep into learning that. Also, I have to learn Python for the internship. So I will be knowing 4 languages solidly, because I think I'm pretty solid with C++, pretty solid with JavaScript, pretty okay with Java. So I'm going to be working with Python every day. So yeah, I'm going to have 4 languages under my belt. That's good. Yeah, I started this journey off as Jordan the computer scientist who was hoping to become a computer scientist. And now I'm Jordan the computer scientist who is slowly breaking his way into the field where my job is in computer science. So it's pretty cool. So yeah, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to hit like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the link in the description to join my Discord. It's been there. It's been popping, and then it slowed down a little bit. Let's get it back up there, okay? I'm back. And I'm going to see all of you in my next video. I'm going to try to whip up some projects and see what else I can show you guys that's new. But thanks for watching.
I'm insecure still, and she's starting to notice. She think my feelings are bogus, but really she is my bonus. I don't like how I wrote this, because it's